Dear my F3 fan friends and followers, hope you all are doing well. Today I'll discuss regarding fashion models in this video. My name is Ayushi. Let's start. Fashion models have been an integral part of the global fashion industry for decades, gracing runways, magazines, and advertisements with their striking looks and impeccable style. While many see them as simply pretty faces, we all know fashion models are increasingly becoming powerful voices for diversity, body positivity, and societal change. In this video, I will explore the evolving role of fashion models and their impact on the world of fashion and beyond. Fashion models have long been synonymous with tall, slender figures and conventional beauty standards. However, the fashion industry has undergone a transformation in recent years, embracing a broader definition of beauty. Today's fashion models come in a variety of shapes, sizes, genders, and ethnic backgrounds, reflecting a more inclusive and diverse vision of beauty. If I talk about prominent models like Ashley Graham, who proudly promotes body positivity and self-acceptance, have challenged the industry's traditional norms. They have become influential figures advocating for more representation of real people in fashion and pushing for the use of unretouched photos in magazines and advertisements. Let's talk about the social media and the rise of influencer models. You know, the advent of social media has given rise to a new breed of models, influencer models. These individuals have leveraged their online presence to build large followings and collaborate with fashion brands, blurring the lines between traditional modeling and social media influence. Influencer models like Gigi Hadid and Kendall Jenner have successfully combined their modeling careers with entrepreneurship and brand endorsements. We all know these models use their platforms to connect with their audience on a personal level, sharing their fashion choices, lifestyle, and experiences. They have a profound impact on trends and marketing strategies, proving that being a successful model is not just about appearance but also about cultivating a strong online presence and personal brand. Models like Doutzen Kroos and Edie Campbell have been vocal about the need for eco-conscious practices within the industry. They advocate for sustainable fashion brands and encourage consumers to make more environmentally responsible choices. By aligning themselves with sustainable initiatives, they are pushing for a greener and more ethical fashion industry. Let us talk about advocacy and philanthropy of fashion models. Fashion models are not limited to showcasing clothes. Many are also engaged in philanthropic endeavors and advocacy work. Renowned models such as Naomi Campbell and Karlie Kloss have used their fame to support various social and humanitarian causes. We can take an example such as Campbell has been a vocal advocate for diversity in the fashion industry, advocating for more Black models and designers. Kloss founded Code with Klossy, a nonprofit organization that empowers young women to learn how to code. These models are using their status to make a positive impact, demonstrating that the role of a model can extend far beyond the catwalk. In conclusion, I would say, fashion models are no longer just beautiful faces strutting down runways. They are catalysts for change, diversity, and innovation. They challenge the traditional standards of beauty, embrace advocacy and philanthropy, and use their platforms to influence society and the industry. The evolution of fashion models reflects a broader shift in the world of fashion towards inclusivity, sustainability, and social responsibility. As these models continue to shape the fashion landscape, it's clear that they are more than just mannequins in clothes. They are influencers, advocates, and agents of change. That's all. From my side, I hope this video is informative. If you guys more know about fashion, other related topics, you can comment. I'll be there as always, cause my fans at the top of that. At the end, finally, eventually, I would say, if you like this channel, press the like button, or if you really like it, please subscribe the channel and activate the bell icon to fire notifications. Thank you. Have a great time.